Welcome students. We are going to study the lesson number 1 economics of class 10th. The topic of our discussion today is development, which is the name of our lesson also. As we have discussed while we are discussing the lesson number 1 of geography, that development is common in both the chapters, chapter number 1 geography and the chapter number 1 economics. But the approaches of our study will be different in both the subjects. Students, during the discussions on TV and many highlighted topics in the newspapers, the development is a very warning topic nowadays. We often go through the development on this topic. We often go through the discussion on this topic. Development is the main motive of the world today. It is concerned with each and every person in this world, and same thing is with the different nations and the different states within a country. It also related in the same way with the different economic groups of a country. Let us start our list. First of all, we shall try to understand what is development. We cannot give a particular definition for the development. Why is it so? Is it so because the development means differently for the different people, different group of society, and similar with the different nations. What is development? Each and every person has its aspirations or desires, and they want to fulfill them. When we are talking about the development of our country, then we have to discuss on certain questions, and we have to find the answers of those questions. What are those questions? Those questions are, what are the essential things we require? हम लोग के हम लोगों के लिए कौन कौन सी जरूरी चीजें हैं जिनकी हमें आवश्यकता है? एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन। आफ्टर देन, कैन लाइफ बी बेटर फॉर ऑल? हम जागृति में ये डिस्कशन कर चुके हैं कि जब रिसोर्सेज का इनडिस्क्रिमिनेट यूज होता है तो सोसाइटी दो ग्रुप्स में बढ़ जाती है। फर्स्ट वन इज हैव्स एंड सेकेंड वन इज हैवेंट्स। दूसरे शब्दों में हम कह सकते हैं कि समाज रिच और पुअर दो कैटेगरीज में बढ़ जाता है। Our this particular question asks that can life be better for all? क्या सबका जीवन पहले से अच्छा हो सकता है? इस क्वेश्चन का भी हमको आंसर फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। And third one is, can there be more equality? The ultimate goal in front of any country or the entire world is to establish equality among the human beings. Because all the classes, all the sufferings of the human being is related with the inequality among them. It is also true with the nations of the world also. Let us proceed. The achieving the developmental goals is a very complex task. It is not very easy to achieve them, and they cannot be discussed only in the subject economics. We have to depend on the history and the political science for finding the answer related to many questions about the development. Because the condition of a nation today is very much dependent on its past, on its history. The answers of all those questions may be found in the history. For example, our country was a colony of Europeans for several hundred years. During those days, they had influenced on our economical aspects very importantly. We can see it on the evil effect of the colonial period on our traditional trade and commerce, like the trade and commerce of different type of cotton textiles. Similarly, if we want to achieve the different developmental goals for each and every person in our country, then it is only possible through the democratic process. It is essential for achieving the different developmental goals for each and every person of our country. Therefore, students, our topic is also related with the political science. It will be seen later in our lectures, in our discussion also. Students, what development promises? It means different people have different developmental goals. We can understand it very easily by taking the example of different group of people from our country. First of all, I am taking the example of landless rural laborers. What will be the developmental goals for them? जो हमारे रूरल लैंडलेस लेबरर्स हैं, उनके लिए डेवलपमेंटल गोल क्या होगा? उनके लिए डेवलपमेंटल गोल है कि उनको रेगुलर जॉब मिले, वेजेज अच्छे हों, मजदूरी अधिक हो, गांव में अच्छा स्कूल हो, गांव में हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज अच्छी हो, जिससे उनके बच्चे जो गांव के गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स हैं उनमें अच्छी शिक्षा ले सकें, हेल्थ से संबंधित प्रॉब्लम उनका सॉल्व हो सके। ये डेवलपमेंटल गोल होगा लैंडलेस रूरल लेबरर्स के लिए। In the same way, we can take the example of a farmer which is entirely dependent on rains for their farming. What will be the developmental goal for him? He will expect from government that government should be provide him or her proper irrigation facility. He will want subsidy on the equipments related to irrigation. He will also want compensation for the destruction of their crops due to bad weather. Similarly, the